Yeah, now we got lots of video for the grandparents. Oh, and there you go, shoving your fist in your mouth. Shoving your fist in your mouth. Older than the breeze, younger than the mountains, older than the trees. Oh, you might be hungry. Are you hungry, baby? Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. Time for your mid-morning snack. You hungry, baby? Yeah. Say hello. No, don't cry. What are you going to eat in a minute? Yeah, you're going to eat in a minute. Okay.